Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Pagani Zonda R, and this is like the J case cars. So and this cost at me 179 rupees, which is atrocious. But that's how we are getting it in India now. So I don't know about other countries whether there is a price hike there, but yeah. So okay, one more thing is this is only one in the box. If you guys are wondering, so let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I did buy a Pagani last time. I don't know if it is a Zonda R or something else. I need to recheck my video and my car which I'm having. Okay, so here is the card out one more time, and okay, here it is. So here is a closer look of the car. So the initial impressions of this car are like, okay, this looks nice. It does have good interior detailing. If you guys can able to see it. So I really don't like, they are tinting the windows most of the time. So if they're keeping it at least a little bit clear or at least on any one end, that would be really good. So the casting is a little bit heavy, not too much. So the logo placement looks okay. And so there are no, details for headlights. It is just, the paint is just, it is giving you the effect like that, but it is not paint actually. I mean, there is no specific paint job for headlights here. So same goes for the tail lights, and you can see the intakes here and the exhaust details also, which is pretty good. But I expect a little bit more if you are paying 180 rupees nowadays for these cars. So this part here, this is plastic and the body is made of metal, and okay, the entire chassis is plastic. So these are main lanes again. So it looks good, I'm not going to say no. It does look good. So I do like Pagani, Paganis, because they moved out of Lamborghini and he started his own business. So there is some damage here. This is out of the box. So I'm not sure if this is kind of, I don't think it is a design, no. So there is some kind of damage here. So if you guys have the same kind of damage, so put it in the comments. Okay, let's do a roll test since we kept this new track also. Let's see. Okay, that does roll really well. Okay. Okay, it does roll really well. It doesn't have much of a wobble on the wheels. So yeah. Nice rims as well. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, fill out my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.